This video demonstrates how to download and install a full feature driver from HP.com. Before you begin, turn on your printer. Make sure the power light is on and that no other lights are blinking. If your printer is connected to your computer using a USB connection, unplug the USB cable from the back of the printer and also from the USB port on the computer. First, we need to find the driver on HP's website and download the files. From your computer, open a web browser like Internet Explorer. In the address bar, type www.hp.com/support and click the arrow at the right side of the address bar. The HP support page displays. Click where you live on the map. For this video, we selected North America. Select the country where you live and language from the list that displays. We selected United States and English. Since we want to download a driver, click the Drivers and Software option. Next, find the place where you can enter your printer information. In the Enter a Product Name/Number text box, type in your model number. For the purposes of this video, we are using the A910. With the model number entered, press the search button or press Enter on your keyboard. If you type in a portion of your model number like A910 instead of A910N, you'll have to choose your product from a list. If you type in your complete model number, it will take you directly to your product software page. Open the Select Your Operating System drop-down list, find Microsoft Windows 7 and click on it. The drop-down list collapses and shows Windows 7. Click Next. Click Driver Product Installation Software to see a list of options. Find and click the driver with the words Full Feature in the title. This driver will allow you to use all the functions that are intended for your printer. In the screen that appears, click the Download button to start downloading the file. A window pops up asking what you want to do with the file. Click Save. Browse to the location where you want to save the file. Make sure you save the file somewhere easy to remember so you can install it later. We saved the file to the My Documents folder. Now that you told the computer where to save the driver, it will download the file to the folder you selected. After you have successfully downloaded the driver, you need to install it on your computer. To find the file you just downloaded, click the Open Folder button. Find the installation file in the folder. The file extension for the file is .exe. Double-click the file to start the installation. Windows 7 asks you to confirm if you want to install the file. Click Yes to start the installation. Wait for the files to extract. The Installation Agreements and Settings screen opens. Select the I have reviewed and accept the Installation Agreements and Settings checkbox and then click Next. The installation will go through 4 steps: checking the system to see where to install the files, preparing the computer to install the driver, installing the files, and configuring your product once the installation is complete. It will then display the Connection Options screen. When prompted, select the connection type for your product. In this example, we will select a network installation. Click the Network button, then click Next to continue. When prompted, select the connection type for your product. In this example, we will select a wireless connection. Click the Wireless button and then click the Next button to continue. When prompted, follow the instructions for connecting your printer to the wireless network. Your method will be specific to your network configuration. Your printer will continue automatically with the installation. When you see the words Successful Network Installation, click Next to complete the configuration process. The installation wizard configures your product automatically. After this process is complete, a screen displays telling you that the software installation was successful. Click Finish to close the installation wizard. A screen appears in which you can register your product. You can either enter the registration information and click Finish Registration, or close the window by clicking the X in the upper right corner. A new window appears in which you can control your printer's functions. The window also contains links to HP services, help and support, shopping, and HP's ePrint Center website. You can explore these links or close the window by clicking the X in the upper right corner. Your printer is now ready to use. If you need more help, return to www.hp.com/support.